Hey, what's going on everybody? Chala here, and today I'm going to discuss with you how to fix the 100% disk usage issues for your Windows 10, 11 or any other computer. Now 100% disk usage can happen to anyone, like anyone's computer, and it's actually a big issue, so we're going to fix it like in 4 to 5 very simple steps. So for step number 1, what we're going to do is we're going to hit Windows plus R button, and we'll open up the run. We're going to type in services.msc, as you can see on the screen, services.msc. Hit OK. It will open up a screen like this with all of the services. Now we are going to disable two services here. Number one will be the sysmain. Here it is, the sysmain. It's currently in running state. Sysmain is actually responsible for making different applications available to you, but we don't want to be running it directly. Let's go to the properties. We're going to go to the startup type, make it disabled, apply, OK, then hit right click again and stop it. Once this is stopped and disabled, we're going to go to the next one. This one, connected device platform service. This is also in running state, and automatic startup type is set as automatic delayed start, but we don't want that. We're going to go to the properties again. Startup type should be disabled. Apply. OK. Then we're going to stop it. It will get stopped. So that's done. Now for the next step, what we want to do is we are going to go to this PC. My Windows is currently installed in Windows C drive. So this is the drive that I want to focus on. I'm just going to go ahead and hit right click, go to properties. Then go to tools, go to optimize and defragment drive settings, go to optimize setting. Make sure that this option is currently it's currently on, but make sure that this option is off, because this can also make sure your disk usage becomes 100%. So just uncheck this, hit OK, then close this, hit OK, and that's done. Now for the final step, what you want to be doing is go to your Task Manager, go to the startup option, then sort everything from the enable status and make sure that whatever you don't need here from this list, make sure that they're disabled. What it will do is Windows will not automatically start them up whenever Windows boots up. For example, I don't want the Microsoft Edge to be running, so I'm just going to hit right click, disable it, so that it will make sure that next time computer boots up, it will not get started automatically. Like that, any unwanted application that you don't want to be starting automatically, just make sure you hit the right click and stop it. And that's the entire process. I hope this video helped you a lot, and if it fixed your issue, please feel free to like the video and please subscribe to the channel for more. And I will see you guys in the next video.